All right, squad, here's your first question about math and the layers of the Earth. So, yesterday, here's what I want to do. Here's the question. Let's start there. I want you to imagine we took the entire Earth and shrunk it down to the size of an apple. As you can see on my apple on the right, I'm going to say the average apple is about 4 inches from side to side, which would make it 2 inches from sort of the side to the middle. So we'll say about 4 inches. So we take the entire Earth and shrink it down to a 4-inch regular sized apple. How thick would the crust layer be on an apple-sized Earth? So as you'll recall from your investigation into the thickness of the different layers, the crust was about 25 miles thick. If you were to start digging from the edge of the Earth down, it's thinner than that in some places, thicker than that in some places. I picked that as kind of a middle number. But it's around 25 miles thick. It would take about 25 miles before you were through the crust and into the mantle. So the Earth, the entire Earth, is roughly 4,000 miles, a rounded number, from the edge to the middle. So if you dug all the way from the edge of the Earth to the middle of the inner core, that's about a 4,000 mile dig. So if you were to shrink the Earth down to the size of an apple, how big would the crust be? You're going to need to use ratios to solve this. Sorry about that. I'm going to tell you that you do need ratios. I want you to try this for at least 5 minutes. If you get stuck, I don't want you to just give up or stop trying or anything like that. Try for at least 5 minutes to figure this out. So don't give up in any less time than that. I don't know why this keeps popping up. You may get an answer that you're satisfied with in a shorter time than that if you feel confident. But fight with it. Try something. Doesn't work, try it again. Try something, try it again. Keep at it for at least 5 minutes till you think you have an answer. If the Earth were the size of an apple, how thick would the crust be?